For a trader, a trading system is very important when it's come to the short-term trading, or even if you are an investor, a trading system plays a key important role. Be it a technical, be it a fundamental, be it a options trader. Evaluating the markets with, I would say, without bias and looking at the actual setups plays a key important role. And eventually, execution is also an important part. But many traders lack about the trading system, or in fact, they are very much confused with the complex languages into the I would say technical side, where they are unable to create a system. But with the Zone app by Definedge Securities, trading system is very much simplified. You just write down your parameters, and the trading systems can be built out of that. And not only that, you can run the scanner during end of the day if in case your system is end of the day. If in case your system is during the live markets, you can definitely do that as well. So in this video, I'll be explaining you a step-by-step process on how to create your trading system. Before I go in detail into the video, I would request you just take a pen and paper, write down your systems, whatever parameters you have onto the technical side, and then start with creating a system. In case you are not a user of Definedge Securities, I would suggest go on to the Definedge Securities, register yourself. There are many free features available for you into the zone, and there are live scanners which are basically the paid one. But in fact, if you are enrolling for the Zone app, the amount will be credited to your trading account, which will be adjusted against the brokerage. So it's absolutely free for you as well. So I'll go a step-by-step process. Again, write down your systems in a paper, and I'll create one simple system which I generally follow, a breakout system with a good momentum or a strength in the momentum. So just log in into the Zone app. If you log in over here and just go onto the zone definedgesecurities.com, it will ask for your login. I just logged in into my account, and if you just go onto the left menu over here, there is a fourth option called System Builder. Now go onto the System Builder and create a new system. Now you name it anything. I'm just creating a system for just a momentum trades where you can also create your own system. So I'm just writing breakout trades over here. So what are the parameters for me? Is the high of the candle should be the highest high of the last 13 bars. So I'm just writing high is greater than 13 bars, and my RSI, 14 period RSI, should be greater than 60, or the value of the RSI should be above 60. Okay, so these are my parameters. So why 13? Because generally I have seen that when markets go into consolidation, the 13 period breakouts are generally gives you a good momentum trade. Now there are people who use 5 period, who use 7 period, who use 3 period. You can choose anything you want, or you can create your own system however you wish to. And again, if you want to add stochastics, MACD, everything is available. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I'm going into the price first, where my high should be above the previous bar, which means that previous bars are my 13 bars. Okay, so current candle should be highest of last 13 bars. So I've taken that 13 over here. Now my RSI, if I just add RSI to the indicator over here, and I'm indicating RSI value above 60. So RSI value above value is 60. Okay, so RSI should close above 60 over here, and that's my criteria. Okay, so if you are adding 2, 3, 4 criteria, so I just added 2 over here. If you are using 3, 4, just keep in mind one thing, or in expressions, write 1 and 2 in case there is 3, and in case there is 4, and if in case say you want price above 13, RSI should be above 16, or there should be a positive crossover on stochastics. So if either of the one should be there into your criteria, then you should add or. I've in this case, I want that my price should be above 13 and as well as RSI should be above 60. Value should be above. That's the reason I'm adding end over here. In case you want either of the one, you should add or over here. Okay. And I'm just clicking on save over here. Now what I'll do is I'll go on to the strategy over here. So if we just go to the price scanner, if in case this is a candlestick, you should go to candlestick. In case there is a point and figure, if you are created in Renko, you have to select such criteria. And over here, go to my, because this is the strategy which I have built into my account over here. And I'll just write breakout over here. So there are n number of strategies I have. So I've just created breakout over here. And you select the group on what criteria you want. So just I am taking FNO stocks. And I am looking at the daily time frame because I want daily का 13 लास्ट 13 बार्स का जो हाई है वो निकलना चाहिए, हाईएस्ट हाई, एंड आरएसआई शुड बी अपॉन 60 ऑन डेली. इफ इन केस अगर आपको 60 मिनट्स चाहिए, आपको 30 मिनट्स चाहिए, आपको 15 मिनट्स चाहिए, जस्ट चेंज द टाइम फ्रेम. ओके, हियर आई एम लुकिंग एट एंड ऑफ डे. इसके लिए मैं यहाँ पर एंड ऑफ डे का सिस्टम रन कर रहा हूँ डेली. तो ये क्या करेगा, मेरे प्रीवियस डे का सेटअप्स मुझे दे देगा. सो इफ आई जस्ट गो ऑन टू द आरती इंडस्ट्रीज ओवर हियर, okay, look at this RT. It has been about 13 days last. RSI has been at around 62, which is closed about 60, and this is a momentum trade which I can get. Now, आप यहाँ पर और फिल्टर लगा सकते हो. मूविंग एवरेज चाहिए आपको, या आपको चाहिए कि स्टोकेस्टिक्स होना चाहिए, या whatever criteria you wish to. 200 डेज का ऊपर होना चाहिए, गोल्डन क्रॉस होना चाहिए, डेथ क्रॉस होना चाहिए. And in case if you want to run during the markets, okay, you just look at 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, जो भी आपको करना है कर लेना. And you have to scan every 30 minutes over here or every 60 minutes over here. Okay? अगर आप ट्रेड पॉइंट यूजर है and in case you want me to show the same strategy into the trade point as well, do write into the comments. वहां पर लाइव स्कैनर्स अवेलेबल है जो ऑटोमेटिक आपको स्टॉक्स लिस्ट आते रहेगी. यहाँ पर आपको अभी मैन्युअली स्कैन करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज इफ यू लुक एट 60 मिनट्स it will scale all the, because I am scanning end of the day generally. So यहाँ पर जो last 315 की कैंडल में आएगा वही आएगा. So Apollo Hospital was the one which has on our which was this time frame if on 60 minutes, so hourly पे, तो 315 to 330 का जो कैंडल है उसमें जो भी मेरे क्लोज आए रहेंगे वो यहाँ पर आपको दिखेंगे. जो 13 bars last 13 hours, which means last 13 hours का highest high over here if you look at, and RSI above 60, so it will give you a momentum based trades. तो इस तरह से आप खुद की सिस्टम बना सकते हो. In case you find issues creating your systems, you can definitely write on our forum.definedgesecurities.com. वहां पर आप लिखिए, some of the one will get in touch with you and solve your query. And I hope this is very very simpler. आप इसको बैकटेस्टिंग भी कर सकते हो सिस्टम को. So in case you want the same system to be checked on Nifty or any stocks, you can do that as well. So मैं यहाँ पर क्या करूँगा, मैं बैकटेस्टिंग में जाऊँगा यहाँ पर, and यहाँ पर मुझे लॉन्ग ओनली एंट्री है because this I have taken a breakout trades over here, and I have taken my systems over here into the breakout trades. Okay, and long exit, if you want long exit, you can keep anything if in case you want. Or in case you want more options, you can go on to the stop loss percentage. Say I'm taking 3% over here. Okay, so I'm just taking stop loss of 3% over here. And if you scan this on say how it has worked on Nifty 50, so we can check on Nifty 50 as well over here, and it will show you the time frame. Okay, asset allocation, you have to do whatever amount you start with, and if you just click on the scan, so it will give you in the Nifty from 2005 to 2024. It has given only 3 trades with around 924% return. So if I just click on this Nifty trades, it will show me June में 2024 में last trade मेरा close हुआ था, which was if I go to this number of trades over here. Okay, so if you just look at this daily 1st June से, तो हमारे पास ये सिस्टम में 3 ट्रेड आए थे. Number of trades 3, winning 1, losing 2. But yes, the number of trades which have been on the long side have been amazing. So you just keep a watch on this 3% stop loss ये system. So if you look at the system, you can create whatever you want. If you want to click on the group over here And if you want to run the same system on Nifty, say 50 stock or Nifty 100 stock, say let's take Nifty 100 stock, and if I just click onto the scan, so if you look at what is the scanned Nifty 100 के stocks जितने भी थे, and if you look at the total percentage loss, total percentage success ratio over year, number of trades, okay, so total percent returns on long side, okay, so if you look at, I just click onto the long side, Bajaj Finance is one of the best with 6 trades and given an superb return with success ratio, though even the success ratio, but the risk reward is much higher over here. So you can check these kind of systems, any systems which you are following, backtest this data, and you can check कि कौन से stocks पे ये system काम करता है, कौन से stock पे system काम नहीं करता है. I've just taken 3% stop loss over here, तो maybe शायद आपको लगता होगा कि थोड़ा बड़ा हो सकता है, आपको लगता है कि 1-2% stop loss या 5% is sufficient for you, 10% is sufficient for you, आप उसको change कर सकते हो, and you can just keep a trade and look at the structure it gives you out. So these are the kind of setups, or you should create your own system. Again, मैंने कहा जैसे अगर आपको लगता है कि आप खुद को सिस्टम बनाने में इशू हो रहा है, write on to our forum.definedgesecurities.com, and in case you are an user of it, I mean Demat account आपका होता है and you are using RZone, just mention that someone from our team will help you out to create your systems and add into your bill. I have created n number of systems and I have posted popular में भी मैंने बहुत सारे system डाला. So in case अगर आपको system में जाना है and if you want to find the scanners, तो मैंने एक वृद्धि करके जो मेरी system है, तो if you go to this popular and यहाँ पर आप वृद्धि टाइप करोगे तो there is a वृद्धि system which I have bullish bearish दोनों. तो अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि I should share my system with the community, go on to then make that available for all. So वहाँ पर आपको popular में आपके systems भी आ जाएगी predefined. And in case you want some of the patterns which are there, you can go on to the popular tab. वहाँ पर बहुत सारे systems available है, हमारे RSI about 60, MACD crossover, and you can use those systems as well. I hope आपने जो systems सोची है वो easily यहाँ पर apply हो जाएगी without any technical knowledge, without any Java, Python, whatever you name it. ये सिंपल टर्म में आपको पैरामीटर्स डिफाइन करने हैं, यहाँ पर सिस्टम आपका क्रिएट हो जाएगा. यू कैन रन दिस इफ यू आर यूजर ऑफ ट्रेडपॉइंट. आप ये ड्यूरिंग मार्केट आवर में भी इसको रन कर सकते हो, डे बेसिस में भी कर सकते हो, रेंको, पीएनएफ, कैंडलस्टिक्स, व्हाटएवर यू वांट, यू कैन क्रिएट दिस सिस्टम्स. साइनिंग ऑफ, ब्रिजेश भाटिया.